Hey guys, so this is going to be set up a little bit different. It's not going to be a how-to video. It's just going to be a quick little makeover that I did of this sewing box that I got. It's pretty beat up and falling apart, and the legs don't quite fit on it right, but I'm going to still paint them and stick them on there and see if it works. But it is definitely a pretty sloppy way of doing it. If I were actually doing this, which I am actually doing it. Anyway, if I were to be a professional doing this, I would have, sanded it down and got better screws, and I decided to put some fabric on the inside of it, and I kind of just cut it and then plopped it in there. So just a little warning that this is kind of a sloppy makeover, but I wanted to do a quick video on it and give an update on what's going on. So if you have any ideas on any how-to videos that I can do, leave me a comment below. I'm always looking for new ideas. For some reason I have a writer's block, or whatever you want to call it. I can't seem to find a project that I really want to get into. I'm looking for something that is going to test my skills, I guess, and everything that I'm coming up with is pretty basic and not much of a video. So that's why it's taking me so long to post another video, because I haven't found a good project to do. And before anybody comments saying how I'm a horrible person and I ruined this vintage piece of art, or whatever you want to call it, yes, I know, I did. I'm sorry, but it was falling apart and I wanted to give it life again. Yes? No? Maybe? So here is where I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna cut this over here, and it's alright if it goes over the sides a little and looks like crap. Yeah, I could have done better. I definitely could have done better. But you can't quite see it because I do have thread throughout the whole thing, and the thing is pretty filled up, so you can't really see the bottom. Does that make it any better? By the way, this glue that I'm spraying on here, I have had it for, more than 5 years. Like probably 7 years, 7 or 8 years. It is the best glue ever. It is so sticky and it's amazing. So just FYI, I'll put it down in the description box for you, so you can check that out if you would like. This whole time I'm making this or refurbishing it, I am listening to an audiobook, and I got to probably chapter 7, I think, in it. Yeah, I had to basically do the whole book over because I was so focused on the project that I didn't actually listen to a word of the book. Alright, so this is the final look. Yes, there's little paint splattered there, and the fabric is pulled up on the sides, and it's not pulled all the way to the edge there. But you know what? It works. Nobody's going to be looking that close to it except for everybody watching this video. Anyway, it's pretty full, so you can't really see it too bad. I stuck it on this little shelf here without the legs because they were still a little wobbly, and I thought it looked cute without it. Also, these little coasters over here that you see, you can click on them and go to another video that I did, a how-to video, and it is actually pretty good, I think. They turned out pretty nicely. So, a little better than this little updated vintage wear. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. It was a quick one and a little different. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you liked it and you want to see more content. Alright, bye bye guys.